I never even had Portugal on my list, but then I finally went and nothing could have prepared me for this. Good morning. I am getting ready so that I can head out. I'm in Braga, which is a very like walkable city. So I'm gonna walk, go to some of the shops, get some breakfast. So I got a list of things, but today, because I'm just like a little tired, a little jet lagged, I want to just do all the easy stuff today. Like do all the kind of like walkable stuff and then do traveling to see the sights either tomorrow or like during the weekend. I love this curling iron actually. It's like really, it glides well. It's a GHD Chronos Curve. It's really good. But yeah, it's such a beautiful city, and I went to school for fine art and my concentration was art history. And so seeing all the architecture, it like gives me goosebumps. I'm like, I got chills just saying that. It's weird. I love architecture, so I'm in the right place. The art school girl in me is geeked right now, I'll tell you that. Geeked and gagged and flabbergasted. I'm at an Airbnb and I never do Airbnbs. I'm not Airbnb girl. I like room service. I want someone to come in and change my sheets and my towels. I want to be able to call room service for fries. I like the amenities. I like having the hotel restaurant. So I am not an Airbnb girl, but I'm here in an Airbnb and I actually really freaking like it. Like it's nice, has a nice balcony. It's like in the perfect location. Like I don't even care that I don't have room service. Like, okay, I care. But I went walking at night. Obviously not by myself, but I went walking at night and it was so quiet and so peaceful. Like, I feel like I can't do that back home. All right, so a little edge control. I don't know if I'm doing makeup, just a little bit of sunscreen because I've been doing retinol at night and I actually really love what it's been doing to my skin. It just makes my skin so smooth. No glue. Okay, so here is what we're doing today. Very simple little set. It's actually called set. And then I have my little Nike. These are like hiking shoes, but they're so comfortable and Braga has a lot of hills. So I'm gonna need something to get me through. Little jaquita, my Athleta bag that I love because a little crossbody Athleta bag. And then in there, just a little portable charger. Lip liner is actually YSL Kiss Shaper in 107. The sculpting lip liner in 107. And then YSL number 18 on the lips. And that is what we're working with today. I didn't realize how, I guess, humid, or it's not humid, it's just like moist in Braga. And so my hair is struggling, but I have a little pin I end up doing my little go-to. So I am gonna go on my little walk and I'm gonna take y'all with me. Looking pretty. Absolutely excellent. I didn't finish the pancakes because they were very rich. I need a little extra time with that, but I had 2 macchiatos. The eggs and bacon were fantastic. I'm supposed to go to Dia de Jesus, but it's 5 o'clock. The sun is about to start setting in about an hour or so. I'm just gonna walk around, probably do some shopping. I wanna get like some skirts. I can get some like loose flowy skirts on a rag. Yeah, I like socks. Maybe I do like socks. I love Italy, but I think I like Portugal more than I love Italy. They're incredibly comfortable. So sun is setting. Let me take my black back. I'm back. I am exhausted. I'm gonna order a little bit of dinner, I think, edit, and go to bed. Day one was like unexpectedly perfect. Love you guys. Have a good night. Bye. What's going on out here? On my way to dinner, and look at the streets.